Hi guys, it is Say and Leon, and today I'm back with another interesting video. Guys, before I go further, make sure you have subscribed, comment, like and share, and also subscribe to Life with Say, to the OCHIENG'S family, to Anyangu KE, and to Akeo YouTube channel. Guys, today is the day. Watu wangu, before I go further, by the way, make sure umeenda kwa Beauty by Sally 2 and order your slim tea, green tea, body butter, face serum. Usijali, I shall pin the page here. Make sure you have run to her page at Beauty by Sally 2 and order your ingredients kama green teas za kufanya mtu anakuwa na flash time, you know, all of that stuff. So guys, as you can see, if you see me near fridge, mshajijazia. Today we are doing fridge organization. So today I'm doing a fridge organization. So as you can see here, my fridge is so empty. Nani angewahi jua? Nani? So my fridge already nilikuwa nishafungua because at least ikuwe na, you know. So hii nimetoa nimeweka hapa juu, msishangae mbona iko hapa. So guys, we want to arrange our fridge. This is how our fridge looks like. So I don't know how itajionyesha. First of all, nitaanza na the freezer. So here I have my things that I want to put up here. So kama hii, this one is the chicken breast. This one is the chicken sausage. Then sausages. I have like 2 of them. Then it's our chicken. This is the chicken. The best. How will you know? So guys, msishangae mbona bado sio kwa paper. By time I will buy the fridge organization, but really so msijali. I bought like 2 of them.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through if you believe.
So, watu wangu, first of all, naanza na maji. I have like so many water. These ones.
goes till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So guys, at this point I think I'm done, because even a carpet at one, so I don't know what I should put here, but this I'm done with here, but I will add up let's say vitu vingine huko juu nita add. So let me just show you what I've ule nimepanga. So I'm left with these other ones. Hizi nitazipanga hapa juu right now. So this is how my fridge looks like.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong, there's some.
So things like milk, I don't know if nitaziweka hapo because it is long lasting. I don't think nitaziweka hapo. I won't put the milk inside of the fridge.
Into space like you're lost in your thoughts, surrounded by your paper walls. Tell me what's been going on.